Hey kids! Before we dive into today's Christmas story, let's think about this. What do you like most about Christmas? Is it the gifts, the food, or the fun? Have you ever thought about how you can make someone else happy on Christmas? We'll think about those questions. Today, we are going to see what Audrey and Caleb did to make this Christmas extra special. Welcome back to my channel. Our story is called Audrey and Caleb's Christmas Surprise. Let's jump in and find out what they did. It was Christmas Eve, and the snow covered town sparkled with festive lights. Audrey and Caleb, two best friends, were excited for the holiday. But this year, they wanted to do something special. Instead of only thinking about gifts, they decided to bring joy to others. So they gathered some of their toys, warm blankets, and snacks to give to children who might not have a happy Christmas. Audrey and Caleb wrapped up their gifts and set out together. They visited the town's community center where they saw a group of children who looked a little sad and lonely. The friends approached them with big smiles and handed out their gifts. The children's eyes lit up with joy and surprise as they received the unexpected presents. Audrey and Caleb played games with them, sang Christmas carols, and made everyone laugh. As the evening went on, Audrey whispered to Caleb, "This is the best Christmas ever." Caleb nodded. They had given away some of their favorite toys, but the happiness they saw in the other children's faces was the best gift they could have received. By the end of the night, Audrey and Caleb felt their hearts warm and full. The children hugged them tightly, thanking them for making their Christmas brighter. When Audrey and Caleb returned home, they realized that the real magic of Christmas wasn't just about getting gifts, it was about spreading kindness and love. They promised each other that every Christmas they would find a way to make someone else's holiday special. Moral lesson of the story: the story teaches that the true spirit of Christmas is about giving, sharing, and making others feel happy and loved. Okay, let's check your comprehension skills, everyone. First, what did Audrey and Caleb decide to do for Christmas this year? Okay, they decided to give gifts to children who might not have a happy Christmas. Fantastic. Number two, where did Audrey and Caleb go to share their gifts? Okay, they went to the town's community center. How about this? How did the children react when Audrey and Caleb handed out the gifts? Absolutely. The children's eyes lit up with joy and surprise, and they felt happy. How about this? Why did Audrey and Caleb say it was the best Christmas ever? It was because they saw the happiness and joy they brought to others, which made them feel special too. And of course, our last question: what does this story teach us about the true meaning of Christmas? Yes, the story teaches us that Christmas is about sharing, caring, and spreading love, not just about receiving gifts. Well, I hope you learned something new this Christmas. Okay? Thank you and always stay awesome, kids. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as I upload videos every Monday of the week. Happy Christmas!